Okay, everybody, there's no more time to play Mr. Nice Guy. Today is it. Today is the last day, Monday, 3/2/2020. This is the last day to comment on the NPRM from the FAA on remote identification of unmanned aircraft systems. If you don't know anything about it, just say no, because this will have a negative impact, a very big negative impact on every level of everyone in society. Not just hobbyists, not just toys, not just education, not just all these other things like jobs or whatever. It's going to affect everyone, because this is about making room for commercial delivery drones. Do you really want them flying around your neighborhood, a couple hundred of them every day or more? No, I don't think so. You want to be driving to work and all you can think is, oh, one of these commercial delivery drones up here is going to have a failure and follow my car, causing a pile up, killing people? You really want to be thinking about that on your way to work all the time? So just say no to this. There's First Amendment violations here, Eighth Amendment violations. There's data collection and privacy law violations in this. There's just too much to list, and it's going to have a negative impact on every level of society, in every job, in every part of education, in every part of the hobby, every toy, anything that flies in this country. If you have anything to do with it, you are going to probably lose your job, or you're going to lose your hobby, or lose your source of therapy. So just say no to this. And I got to tell you now, these numbers are absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. The number of people in this country that fly something, whether it be for therapy or a job or a hobby, where is everybody? Where is everybody commenting? What's happening here? I got to tell you something else. If you're for this in any way, if you support this in any way, you are anti-American. You are anti-freedom. And you don't belong in this country. So comment now. Today is the last day. Just say no to the FAA.